Guys, I found something in Mastercraft. This is rare, guys. A ship with a baby zombie. Look, guys. Wait, what? Look, wait, guys. Wait. This guy, bro, literally hit me. Please, did I need someone is kinda homeless? And I live with my dad. Please. Nah, bro, I'm cook. Bro, this is rare. This is rare or not? This is actually not. Guys, help me! I know it's chicken zombie, right? But it's not. It's ship jockey. It's ship jockey. This is new. I am getting killed. I am getting clapped right now. I am getting clapped. No! Bro, I am getting clapped, please. This is rare, guys. Wait, let me create it and that. Ooh! It's challenge, guys, but I will create it. Nice. I'm gonna create it because it's very rare. Why have this so rare? Did you see this before, guys? Or not? Tell me, guys. Tell me. What a ship needs? This? Wait, let me see. Ship need this, right? Bro, come here. Don't leave me alone. I will add it. Guys, you think it's rare or not? Tell me to the comment section. No, I'm happy I have this. I see chicken jockey, but it's not chicken jockey. It's ship jockey. Bro, it's very rare or not? I don't know. Serious. Freddy, Drago, Pilot, Lago. I will screenshot it. I will screenshot this. I will screenshot this shit. Nice. Wait, I will survival now. Bro, it's so amazing. I have this pet. Oh, she hit me again. Be so rude. Woo! Bro, she in love with me, but she hitting on me again. Screenshot already. Nice. Bro, stop hitting me and I will clap you. I will clap your cheeks. Bro, if I died here, I will clap him. But that's it, guys. Like and subscribe for more videos. And click the bell. Bro, stop hitting me. Get clapped to the cheeks and bro. Fuck you, bitch. Bro, shit. What the hell? No, go zombie. What the heck? Bro! I see bro. I never see this before. I'm so happy right now. Bro, I'm happy right now. I'm crying, joke. Bro, it's more content creator. No. Ah, you cook. Bro, you need to get... I don't need to clap your sticks, but I need to... I'm just joking. Bro, don't kill me. Please, please, please. Nice. What? How am I jumped back so far high? Bro! Don't hit me now again. That's it, guys. Like and subscribe for more videos and click that. And share this video to your friends and associates. Bye!